All right, y'all. Just finished up the sneaker. Now they got to go out to the customer. These are the Blade Iron Man Batas 3 high tops, man. Designed by yours truly. You know what it is. Straight Spitfire, y'all. Y'all don't know about this. Look at this, man. Blade on one foot, Iron Man on the other foot. And I sent the video out to the customer already, and he was like, these are straight fire. That's when you know you're doing something, when your customers automatically happy when they see it. You know what I mean? Yo, this is what we're doing over here at Sound Vision. The Batas footwear line is in full force, y'all. We doing it how we go around here, man. You know what I mean? So, yo, Batas 3 high tops. Now available on soundvision.com. Right here's the Blade Iron Man Batas 3 combination. Look at this. Blade on one foot, Iron Man on the other foot. Look at these things, man, right here. I call these things Purple Rain, baby. Purple Rain. Gotta pay homage to the great Prince. You know what I mean? So, yo, check these out, y'all. Batas 3 high tops now available on soundvision.com, y'all. You know how we do, man. You know what I'm saying? Batas, they make the fit feel great. Get yours today at soundvision.com. Stay safe, y'all. Peace.